Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, thanks for joining. And as always, thanks to all my returning viewers and subscribers. I appreciate you returning to see what suffering I can get into today on the rabbit truck. Just kidding. Da-da-da! We got a new head gasket. So, as you may notice, I've got you set up here, and I think we're about to let her rip, guys. I'm going to go get a paper towel and some brake clean to clean off the mating surface, and we're going to slap this sucker back together. Get ourselves a clean rag with some brake clean on it. We'll go ahead and wipe carefully the mating surface of everything, just to make sure that in the time it's sat, there's no dust, there's no debris, nothing that's going to cause me any other fun headaches. All the washers are now on, so what I have to do is just go ahead and I'm going to have to clean this thing really well, but we're going to have to just go ahead and push all the ones down that are not. All of our nuts are now started, so we should be able to easily and wind them down by hand. Stage 1 of torque is complete. Let me get my paint pens. Alright, this round we're going to go white, orange, red. White, white, white stripe, 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 no white stripe, so that's good. Alright, I think we've sufficiently marked all of these. Okay, here we go. Paint marker time. Okay, stage 2, complete. Okie dokie guys, car's back on the ground, and you know what that means. It's time to see if this oil pressure gauge moves. Alright, let's turn this. Alright, check her out. Yeah, buddy. Okie dokie, well, as you saw, thank goodness, we've got oil pressure. So now it's time to put the whole shebanger back together. have an idea. Okay, we need to do some more adjusting. What we're going to do is actually take this bracket and we're going to flatten this off right here. And we're going to put a nut cert through here and drill one hole in this bracket, so that way I'll be able to put a bolt through here and it'll hold this rad hose up a bit for it.
Ish, there-ishly. Cool. So, where's that at? Right there's where that hole needs to go.
All right. Well, in an odd turn of events, because this is all pretty calculated, there are no bonus parts, but this is a real project because I've had to do it multiple times to get it right. So, takeaways. Check your friggin' parts. Don't be like me and assume that it fits, because it probably won't, and then you'll be pissed off at yourself like I was. So, always check your parts. If your project doesn't have bonus parts, it's probably not a real project. This had plenty of bonus parts throughout the course of this project. Definitely a project. But get out there, do some wrenching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Woo!